Alright, today is Sunday, June 2nd, around 7:40 in the evening. So I don't forget, there's Rockster. He's on his tether. Let me give him some leash. I want the belly rub, so Daddy gives him a belly rub. Alright, now this week was a real pain in my butt, I think, yeah. After the holiday, Monday I put my car keys in the washer with my pants. Then Tuesday morning it went into the dryer and then it set my alarm off. So I found out my key didn't work my ignition. So I had to, how should I put it? I had a bummer ride. I put the keys in some rice and dried it out, and then it got my car recognized my key, but my remote didn't work. So I spent all day Friday trying to find a key without going to the dealership. They didn't have a remote, so I got a key just to start my car and my car doors. I found another place. I wish I would have found it first. It was a lot cheaper. Well, actually, for my key bob, smart key only ran me $1.25, where the other one ran me almost $1. So if I did that, I would buy 2 keys for what I spent on the 2 keys. But anyhow, so I really didn't get much done Saturday. Saturday evening, I kind of start clearing out my boys' area. As you can tell, this is all just about maybe a half hour worth of work. I cleared enough of it out to get my Husqvarna, there it sits in my boys' area. I got his yard mowed except for where the tree's still at, and you can see what I still got to do up here. There's a tree branch, but see, now you can see it and I can get to it again. So I can cut this down and go in and get a little bit farther. So every weekend I'm hoping to get a little bit farther done. These I'm going to have to figure out a way to split them, because since my log splitter doesn't stand up, that's going to be a pain in the butt to try to split. Because I know I ain't going to pick those up. But, we got his yard semi-mowed. I'll show you that. And, so that means I wasn't able to do anything to my garden, but let me show you what I did do. Ain't much. Wasn't much. Really, all I did was put some more tomato cages up, and I'm gonna have to come out here this weekend and start weeding my garden, because I can see the weeds are all coming up. But hey, that's par for the course. And I'm gonna put cardboard down this weekend too, and plant. This coming weekend I'm going to plant corn, and it might be a little late. Oh, now you can see I've got most of this area cut. Well, I would say a good 3/4 of his area is cut. And I've got a lot of grass. If I pick it up, which I've got to do some work on my deets. Maybe I'll do that when I come home from work. I can work on that at night. Just got to bring some lights. I still got to get it here, but this is a little harder. So I might wait till I get my bush hog weed eater back. But as you can tell, I got pretty much this whole area cleaned up. And once I get brush hog it again, I've got rose bushes I want to get rid of. So once I get, this area is pretty well done, except for, as you can tell, about where the gate is. Everything you see up into the shed has got wood laying in it, so I've got to mess with that. And then I've got some branches back in the back. I'll show you that, so we'll take another trip around, back around. I know I should pause you guys, but it's all right. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys in my last update, I did I planted 75 green onions. So I should have some green onions. I might just leave some of them go as seed this year. I'm looking for onions that give you your big balls at the bottom, but some odd reason I can't remember what they're called. But maybe someone can help me, like grow me something, mister. I got 3 tomato cages left. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. But it looks like I'm going to check my water hose, my water line, and see if it's busted king to where I can't use it. And once I can clean up all this, I'll mow this down, brush hog this down, and literally trim back all these prickly bushes. But as you can see from the corner of the fence, down to my boys area, most everything up to right about, let me see, right about the edge of the shed. From here in is nothing but wood. I've got to get in there, cut it up, move it, split it, take this pile in there, and I want to stack it by the house, so when winter comes and I go to use my back wood burner, it's by the door. I don't have to go too far. And I've got to brush hog this as soon as I get this brush hogged, and be able to get to my fire pit. I'm gonna start burning a lot of this stuff. I've got enough kindling starting, and I still got enough in there. I could probably, I can burn all this and that pile and that. I could get that all burnt. I could probably have enough kindling that's still in there to go another 5 years. But that's really all I did. My sleeping habits just switched. I'm back on the third shift. I'm getting up around 11 o'clock and you can't go to bed until 6 in the morning. I get up at 11 now, so that's about it. We're going to see about getting some work. I'm going to leave my boy out since he wants to stay out. There he is. Everybody who likes Rockster. Look at him enjoying the weather. Alrighty. That's it for an update. Thanks for watching. Rockster says, come on back and visit. Bye-bye.